Welcome, mathematicians, to the Unit 6, Lesson 6 vocabulary video. This is going to be a very quick video. There are very few vocabulary words in this unit. Some will be familiar and some will not. So let's get started with the triangle angle sum theorem. This should be something that should be very familiar. It's something that we're told very early in our math journeys, and that is that the three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. This theorem is what tells us and allows us to use this statement when we are using proofs. We will go into proving this theorem itself in the lesson here shortly, but just keep that in mind. If we take all three angles on the inside of a triangle and add them up, they will always add up to 180 degrees by the triangle angle sum theorem. Up next, let's talk about isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are a very special triangle in which two sides are the same length. So in my example here, we've got side 1 and side 2. These measures are at the same length. The sides that are the same length are called legs. So this is leg 1 and this is leg 2. And the side that is not the same length is called our base. Okay, so we've got two legs and a base. The base angle theorem tells us that if we have an isosceles triangle, right, where two legs are the same length, then the base angles, so the angles that are made that are attached to the base, are also going to be congruent. You can see here in my example, we have 64.9, 64.9. They are the same length. So basically, we have a triangle with two same length sides, and with those same length sides, we have two congruent angles. Up next, we've got some information that should look pretty familiar. First, we have side-side-side congruence theorem, which says if we have three sets of corresponding and congruent sides, our triangles are congruent. Next, we have side angle side congruence theorem, which says if we have a side and then immediately after that an angle and then immediately after that another side, that our two triangles are congruent. We have the reflexive property, which says that angles, line segments, geometric figures are congruent to themselves. So these two triangles both share a line AC. So in both of these triangles, AC is congruent, is the same measure of length. And then we have CP-CTC theorem, stating that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So my example here, right, we have our corresponding parts. And because my triangles are congruent, those parts too are automatically congruent. That is it for our vocabulary for this lesson. Please reach out if you have any questions, and until next time.